Basically, they will receive 10 subjects, okay? They will receive language. This in language, they will receive English, French, Mandarin, but also as we are here in Curacao and the native language is Papiamentu, they will receive Papiamentu, and also Dutch, because Dutch is one of our official language, but for Dutch and Papiamentu they will receive a diploma apart from Cambridge, and the others they will receive math, they receive biology, physics, chemistry. They receive economy, dus global science, the global perspective, PE, which is physical education. But most important for us as a vision of the school, they receive arts. This is something that is missing in everywhere. Huh? We miss arts because with arts, we help the people, we help the student to express themselves, and once you can express yourself, okay, you can do everywhere you want. You can be yourself.